Welcome, CFO and HR leaders. I'm Rhett, a benefits consultant who helps employers lower their healthcare premiums with better benefits that retain and attract happier employees. Today, let's talk truth. Most companies treat rising healthcare costs like a hot potato. What do? They toss it back to the employees by decreasing overall benefits through increasing deductibles and copays. Employers do this by decreasing overall benefits through increasing deductibles and copays, and they think problem solved. That's not solving the problem. That's what we call cost shifting. Sure, you save today, but long term, employees avoid care, get sicker, and your medical renewals go right back up. Now, cost savings, a whole different ballgame. It's about fixing the system, not blaming the user and the employees. Here's how it works. Think alternative funding models like cash pay, first dollar coverage, Copay-Only plans, care navigation, level funded plans, and reference-based pricing. These are all built for transparency and built for results. Number two, let's think about direct primary care. Unlimited access to a physician with no copays and no excuses. The third thing is nurse concierge. Employees get help navigating care so they spend smarter and find the right providers in the network. The fourth thing is advocacy support. It's third parties and experts who review bills and catch overcharges. That saves you and the employees money. And the last one is behavioral telehealth. It gives you quick access help before mental health spirals into a $25,000 claim. You can cut costs without cutting value. Let's design a benefits plan that actually serves your business and your employees. DM or call and we'll build it together. Your revenue line will thank me. Until next time, stay curious, stay bold, and drive your change.